So your total startup for this, roughly, okay, on a low end, is gonna be $404. It's a little bit tricky to measure the dipping part because if you coat it in the fudge, you know, depending upon how much actually goes on the waffle itself, you're gonna get a ballpark of around 32 cents per unit as your cost. So let me show you how we get 87% profit on this. So if you retail it out roughly at around $2.50 and it costs you 32 cents, you're gonna get a $2.18 on each unit for yourself, okay? So now let's dive into specifically what the cost per unit of each of these is gonna be so you can understand how much profit you can make on each unit. But if you do about 200 units a day and you're putting $2.18 in your pocket, that's $436 in a day with just 200 units. And like I say in every single video of mine, don't think that 200 is some outrageous number because it's not. So if you're doing it on a three-day span of time between Friday and Sunday, then you're talking about $1,308 profit for yourself. Now,